Hello everybody, welcome back to Tom Vlogs, and look, it's Steven the Seagull, and this is another £5 challenge. So let's see if we can win Steven the Seagull within £5. Let's do it. So yeah. Oh, seems very strong. Imagine if we win off our first quid, that would be amazing. Then maybe this wouldn't have to be a £5 challenge, but I am sticking to the rules regardless. I will be spending £5. Oh! Damn, that was a teaser and a half, that. Did you see that? Crazy. Second pound of this challenge. Let's see if we can win them. Smashing that instant replay button because that's exactly what I do. Let's go for this one. Why not? Oh, nearly picked him up by the wing bow. Nah. You know what? I'm gonna whisk it. I'm gonna knock some off the back wall. Because why not? I'm feeling a bit whiskey today. Let's see if I can at least knock one off. That would be great. Come on, knock him down. Come on. Ooh, how about you? Come on, knock him down. Seriously? Ugh, never mind. £2 after this already, seriously. This has gone so fast. It's crazy. Right, £2 left already. Oh my god. Faulty coin mix trying to get me there. Oh, right. Last pound. Can we do it in this £5 challenge? Can we win this Steven Seagull? Come on, don't fail me. I've been playing this machine for too long now. I've been coming to Southport the past few months and I have not won a Steven Seagull at this machine, so it would be great if I did win one. Right, last go on my last pound for this challenge. Can we win a Steven Seagull? Damn, no we cannot. Oh well, hope you enjoyed this video anyway, and see you on the next one. Bye!